I've been able to make more than $1.6 million in 2025 launching meme coins. I can refresh this so you can see I'm legit. This is not to flex or anything, it's just so you can see that I know what I'm talking about. In this video, I'm going to go step by step on how to launch. So, how to pick an idea for your meme coin, how to launch the meme coin, how to promote the meme coin, and of course, how to profit from the meme coin launch. So, how to pick an idea for your meme coin. Here, you have multiple options, and the results you get on your coin depend 100% on the idea you pick. So, if you pick a really bad idea, nobody's gonna buy it, of course. If you pick a really good idea, well, people will most likely buy it, right? This is really obvious. But so, how do you actually pick a good idea? There's multiple ways to do it. The first way and the most popular is using Beck's screener. So you just go to this trending page and you just analyze what coins are trending right now. Usually most coins trending follow the same themes, right? So you just gotta check what theme is trending and get some idea around that thing. This can work really well, but the problem with this strategy is that if you're a beginner, you might not be able to know for sure if your idea can go viral. So I would only do this when you have more experience in launching. So the second way is, instead of trying to create an original idea based around a trending theme, you can simply copy a trending coin. But with this strategy, I don't advise using DEX Screener because you don't want to copy the big coins. You want to copy coins that are trending but aren't really that big yet. So you know the idea works, but it's not super popular to the point of people knowing your coin is a clone. You know what I'm saying? So for this, you can use, for example, Photon or Blue Lake, so XM. You can use the one you like the most. I'm going to be using XM as an example. Go to this pools page, go to this migrated section. Make sure you don't have any filters on so you can see all the coins in here. So now what you can do here is simply select any coin you like, let's say this one, for example. You copy the token address. Now go to solscan.io, paste the address here, select a coin, and go to this metadata section. Here, copy this URI link, open it. Now this might seem a little complicated, but don't worry, just look where it says image and copy this link right here. Open it, and there you go. So this way, you can download the exact image the original coin is using. Now, this is all very complicated, I get it. This is super confusing and too much work, so thankfully there's still a third way that you can use to get an idea for your coin. This third method is basically the same as the second one, but you don't have to manually copy the coin. You can select the coin, and with just one click, you copy it. So I wouldn't even waste time on the second method, but I still wanted to explain it in case you think it's a better option. To do this, I will use mintrush.fun on this copy trending coins page here. I just go through the list of trending coins, and when I find one, I click on create coin. Super easy, launching the coin. So to launch the coin, you have so many options nowadays that it's a bit hard to know for sure what's the best one, right? You have Pump Fun, Bump Swap, Bonk, Boop, Rating, Launch Lab. There's so many options. Now, I personally prefer to launch on Radium because you have way less competition and you have basically full control of your coin, right? So for example, when you launch on Pump Fund controls your coin, not you. So you just become another buyer. You don't control anything on your coin. That's really bad because it limits a lot the amount of profit you can make. And also, all of these platforms similar to Pump Fund have hundreds of coins being launched per minute, right? It's insane. Your coin is not going anywhere if you launch on here. So you can choose any of these platforms. But me personally, from my experience, the best option is Radium. Now, the only issue with Radium is that usually you have to program the whole coin and liquidity yourself, which I have no clue how to do that myself. To do so, you would go back on mintrush.fun. So just browse through the multiple coins that are available. You see what you like. So for example, we're going to take this coin, Doom. So you click on create token. So here, guys, this message is completely normal. It's standard procedure. So you can just proceed anyway, guys. So click on confirm. Understand, confirm. And just like that, guys, you just created your coin. So look, you got the token address. The next step, guys, would be creating the liquidity pool. So if you want to check, for example, your token on the Explorer, Solana Explorer, you can just click on the button and you're going to see all your coins information. So here it is, Doom, the token we just created, same token address a few seconds ago. So go back on Mintrush. Then, guys, what you're going to do, you're going to create a liquidity pool. So just click on the create liquidity pool button here. Then, guys, you're going to select your token. So let me just go browse through all the tokens in my wallet. Here it is. So then, guys, what you would do, you would put the SOL amount in the liquidity pool and the amount of tokens you want to put in the liquidity pool. So for the sake of, this video, for example, I'm going to put 0.4 Solana in the liquidity pool. And the token amount I would advise you to put always 900 million of your tokens. So make sure, though it's 900 million and not 9 billion, then click on add liquidity. So it's going to show you this transaction, guys, sorry. So you just click on confirm. That's basically going to create your liquidity pool. All right, guys, and just like that, your liquidity pool has been successfully created. There are a few ways I get eyes on my projects. I'll show you what I personally do. First option is deck screener ads. Your coin pops up at the top of this trending list, which is really good because millions of people use this site. Plus, it gives you credibility. People tend to trust coins they see featured here. I've used this before and it definitely works. But the issue with this is it costs $300, which is quite expensive if you're launching multiple coins. When I was just starting out, I couldn't really afford to drop 300 on every launch, so I had to find other ways. So the second option is manual social media promotion. Posting on Twitter, Reddit, Telegram, Discord, all that. It's free, but it takes forever. And honestly, it doesn't work that great. I tried this approach for my first few launches and it was just exhausting. Plus, the results were just okay, nothing really that impressive. Thankfully, we still have a third option, which is what I actually use now, and that's automated social media promotion. So a platform that I've been using to automate the social media promotion process is dexhack.fun. So it's really straightforward, simple. You just got to copy and paste your token address in the box here. Then you just click on promote token. It's completely free. There's no fees. So look, guys, it's just verifying the token contract, checking the liquidity. And look, guys, successfully created. So I'm just gonna wait 30 minutes to an hour and show you how the coin is doing. So I'm back at Mint Rush. So I'm just gonna go down to look how the coin is doing. And look, guys, it's absolutely crazy. So I'm just gonna go on Dex Screener to show you the token. Here it is, guys. So we're at 555,000 market cap already, $555,000 market cap, which is completely insane, guys. So, oops, we didn't do this on purpose, but yeah, guys, the token is doing exceptionally good. You can look at the buys, the sells. Yeah, it's doing really, really good. To do so, you go back on Mintrosh and look, guys, $23,000 in profit. So you just select 100% and you're going to receive all the profits in your wallet.